How to make a Pisces man fall in love with a Libra woman. Understanding how to make a Pisces man fall in love with a Libra woman requires insight into their unique personalities. Pisces men are sensitive, dreamy, and emotional, while Libra women are charming, balanced, and social. Combining these traits can create a beautiful connection if handled with care. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 practical tips to help a Pisces man deeply fall for a Libra woman. 1. Show genuine emotion. Pisces men value emotional honesty. Be open about your feelings to build trust. 2. Engage in meaningful conversations. Stimulate his mind with deep discussions on art, dreams, or philosophy. 3. Be kind and compassionate. Small acts of kindness will touch his sensitive heart. 4. Create calm spaces. Offer a peaceful environment where he can relax and express himself. 5. Share your love for beauty. Pisces appreciate art and creativity. Show your artistic side. 6. Practice patience. He may have mood swings. Respond with understanding, not judgment. 7. Be loyal and trustworthy. Consistency will make him feel secure and committed. 8. Dream together. Invite him to share hopes and fantasies for the future. 9. Use your social grace. Your charm can help ease social tensions and comfort him. 10. Balance independence and closeness. Respect his need for emotional connection while maintaining your own freedom. By blending empathy, intellectual connection, and harmony, a Libra woman can captivate a Pisces man's heart. This balanced approach unlocks true love and lasting affection. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.